Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jen here, and with Jim, and I am doing a clean with me in the kitchen, which is extremely messy from my husband's birthday dinner where we cooked a ton of food. So I hope you guys get some cleaning motivation from watching and get to tackle something messy in your own house today. I'm gonna let the music play and I hope you enjoy. Now here I just have a few dishes to wash by hand that wouldn't fit in the dishwasher, or that I just don't wash in the dishwasher. I don't wash like my knives or some of my pots and pans in the dishwasher. I just prefer to wash them by hand. So that's what I'm doing here. Right here I'm using the lemon verbena Miss Myers all-purpose cleaner. It smells absolutely amazing. That and the basil scent are probably my two favorites from Grove Collaborative website. If you haven't tried them out already, you definitely should. Here I'm using the Finish Jet Dry along with the Finish tablets in my dishwasher, and then also the stainless steel wipes I use on the stainless steel, and I follow up with the dry cloth just to polish it really nice. Here I'm using the Mrs. Myers baking soda cream cleaner in the lemon verbena scent, which smells absolutely awesome and works wonders to clean your sink out with. It shines it up really nice. I also use a little drop of dish soap, but my mint is come to an end, so I have to get out the peony scent, which is the next one that I had ordered, which smells awesome as well. I'm just finishing up by sweeping and mopping the floor. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I appreciate it. And if you like videos like this, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any videos that I post in the future. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.